Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Sited on half acre in the suburbs of Millsborough is this single family home. Enjoy the cool breeze and breathtaking vistas overlooking Kingston, whether entertaining on the grounds or on your wraparound veranda. Every point in this home is picturesque, framed by beautiful craft cedar windows and doors. The formal dining, sitting room, and a family room all flow naturally into the stately kitchen, complete with a breakfast nook, an island with cooktop range, granite countertops, and Spanish Elm cabinetry. The lower floor ensuite bedroom is ideal for a guest or an elderly family member, while the four upper floor rooms are separated into 6 spaces, 3 of which are offices, perfect for today's remote work environment. The master suite boasts high ceilings, its own balcony, walk-in closet, and a jetted tub. Additional features includes helper's quarters, 3-car covered garage, LPG Kohler generator, solar water heater, 1,700 gallon of backup water, and auto gate. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 990,000 or Jamaican $152.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.